Alright, this is my weekly construction video here in Chapala. Okay, this is where the traffic all has to go to one side. They have a young man there with a flag helping direct the traffic, and I'm having to wait to cross the street right now. Here's a truck picking up trash. Okay. Gracias. He wanted me to hurry. I wasn't watching. Okay, we're across the other side. There's some of the old light poles they took down. And see, they have the rock in. And they're working on things. They have piles of it so they can put it around there. Building manholes. Yeah, I'll show this from up here. Okay, there's conduit for wires and fiber optics and things like that. There's water lines. And there's looking at the intersection from the opposite side. There's a construction shack where they keep all their supplies and things. And this man wants to wave. Okay. Gracias. YouTube. Here's the box with the lines going into it, and see they've got everything buried now. Last video I did, they didn't have everything buried. Backhoe working here. Not doing anything right now. There's sewer water here that's not getting anywhere, but it's not going in the pipe. I don't know what the deal is. Okay, there's all their supplies over there. All kinds of tubing and all kinds of pipe and just a little of everything. Benches up there, so you're taking all the benches out on this side. I sure hope they put the benches back. Here's a manhole they built. Water's running through it. Okay, there's lots of stuff piled up along there in the middle. They're saving these trees, of course. Here's a whole bunch of manholes. Eight of them right in a row. Yeah. Of course, this is for sewer. There's a sewer manhole out in the middle there. Look at the manholes here. A lot of sewer pipes coming out of these buildings. And they got the rock all in, but they haven't got it over on this side. They'll bring more in and they'll put it over on this side. Looking back at just where we came from. That's right by Pharmacy Guadalajara. This guy's working on the manholes right here. This is the man that builds the manholes. These guys mix the concrete for him. And he makes it all nice and pretty. Does a really good job. Yep. Got some motorcycles here I have to watch out for. This guy's mixing concrete right there. Getting ready for the next little one. There's a man in here with a pile of bricks. And he's getting ready. He's lining everything out for where they're going to build the manhole. Measuring, doing all kinds of things. And they've got all kinds of pipes here. They'll build a manhole right there. These manholes, they build them somewhere else and bring them in here. These ones that they're having to brick up with the pipes, they're having to they're having to build them right here because they're all a little bit different heights and everything else. See, they're putting rock down in there and they're putting concrete down in there.
Welcome to Mexico, man.
Yeah. Gracias.
Where are you guys coming from?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah. They put a set of steps in here on each side so people can walk across in the middle of this block. That's very nice for the people. They try to work with the merchants and the people. Yeah, there's a water line right there. That white pipe is a water line. So you don't have to bury the water pipes very deep here because there's no freezing. Never come close to freezing here. Here's a ditch here. There's an old manhole. Tree out there. It's all kinds of stuff. And this needs to be reworked a little bit, but they'll take care of it. Now they're working on this right here, getting ready for more manhole. All handwork. This is 2 blocks they're doing one side. And after they get this all done and concreted so they can put the traffic back on this side, they'll tear up the other side when they open this side up. There's a water line right there and they run a line off of it. There's a water line. There's more men working down here, and see they've got the rocks all in here. And they're just working away at it. Doing a good job. They've got sewer water running through here. There you go, and they're working, cleaning it out. They don't want a lot of dirt and debris to go down the sewer line. It's a pretty good flow off of this hill right behind me. Hola. There's one of the old parkometers that'll come out. Pile of brick that they'll use here. More pipe that they didn't use yet. I think these short chunks of pipe, they're just pieces that they're not going to use. See, they got a lot of work to do right in here. So they haven't put the rock over on this side. See, there's where they've made a joint right there. They've widened into the sewer main of coming out of these buildings. There's a couple of restaurants right here. So they got to have a pretty good sewer line. Yeah. Hola. Yeah. Yeah, there's some posts that'll have to come out. They're putting the fence up so people don't get over it. Thank you. They're moving things out of the way so people don't have accidents. They're trying to work with the people. See, they've still got to cut this out more here. They've got a line right here, that white line. Well, I can't quite show it. There it is, right there. They're going to cut that back to there. There's the main line down there. They've got everything all hooked into each other. Here's a pile of rock that they'll use when they move this, widen this out. There's a little light pole they've taken down over here. No lights on this side now. This is the last one. And this is one of the ones they put back up. They clean them up, paint them, and put them back up. There's a tie-in right here. Here's a manhole they put in. Now I'll walk over to that man. There's a pile of cement blocks and a pile of brick. Yeah, the end of the bicycle path will be a bicycle path along here. Water flowing through there, a pretty good stream. They'll rod all these lines after they get done with the sewer machine. Okay, this is all I'm going to make on here. I want to thank you for watching my YouTube videos. And they're putting up, right over there, they're putting up a street light with the backhoe. There they go. Yeah, they're putting up a street light. Okay. See, this is the end of the last that they did, and they haven't got the street lights up in the middle or wired. And here's wire across here. They're running wire in some of the conduits and stuff. Here's a street light that goes up on the top of the pole. Here's 2 of them here, 3 of them. That's what they look like. The LED. They've had themselves a pizza. That's pretty good. Hold on. Yeah, and they have that one up. That'll brighten up this corner a little bit. Okay, I gotta watch myself so I can get across here. I'm probably gonna end this video right here. Thank you very much for watching my video. This is the plaza in central Chapala. I'm crossing before I shut it off. Here's a man selling fresh berries right here. You can buy things on the sidewalk right here. He's got blueberries, raspberries,
strawberries,
blackberries, and he's got strawberries today. Okay. Gracias. YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, I put it on YouTube.
Everybody.
Yeah, a little addition to my construction video.